Good morning. Thank you. Can I play with you? Let's share it together. I'm really sorry about that. Look at this pretty butterfly. Do you want some help? Wow, that's a great idea! Wait for me, please. I'm happy to see you again. Good night. Sleep tight, little one.